Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off environmental on your Rain app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to turn off this sign. So all you have to do, just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on enable settings. So then you come to this list, then all you have to do now, just go down, click here on neighborhood settings. So then you come to this list here, you click here on content settings here, and you go down, then you come here to environmental here, click in this sign or this color. Then like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's on off now. Then you click here on apply filter, then it's going to turn off video on your Rain app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.